Hi everybody, yes, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the front brake pad and rotor and caliper on 2008 Hyundai Elantra. Okay, let's start it. Thank you. You need to pull the wheels out. Okay, let's start it. Oh, let me turn off. Put the glove on it. Good. Let me put my flashlight to the side because you're gonna be tough to see it. Put that side. Okay, see my clearly. Okay, pull the wheels out. Put the strap and block the hose. We don't want any brake fluid come out. Yeah, clearly. And remove. Let me see. This one is just number 18. I don't do much on the Hyundai, so I don't know what side of the. Oh, this number 18. 18 millimeter. I got 17. Sorry guys, it just says number 17. That was 18. So once out, go to other side. See the brake hose in here, disconnected. Okay. Just disconnected. Then we come out. See, very simple, guy. So pull the whole things out, and the rotor we need to knock with the hammer. Sorry guys, gotta be loud. Get it? See? Nice and clean right now. I love to use the tool I got from Snap On. Clean it fast. The number is Snap On CSSD1, the best tool ever. I love it. This is a new brake rotor. Almost done. So it's just time to install the new brake caliper. Okay, I'm gonna move the camera to the other side, show you how to set up it. Let me bring everything. Let me see the caliper. It is number millimeter. See its caliper bracket is blank. You need to install the fit kit, the hardware kit for it. Shim. And go back to that place where we was. Okay. And to install the brake bracket, the caliper bracket. Install it. Okay, nice and tight. This brake pad look like, okay. Let me install it for you. Let's see. Remember, okay, when you install the brake pad, it's very important to understand it. The pad need to be in and out smoothly. You see in the video, had to be smooth, not too loose, not too tight. Smooth is the best. And the warning sign here, always put it in the bottom, okay? See, nice and smooth. Smooth in, smooth out is the best. And you guys remember one more thing, okay? You see the brake bleeder in here had to be on the top all the time, all the time. It doesn't matter you install a front or rear brake caliper. The bleeder had to be up, all the time, okay? It's not done yet. After we install the brake hose, everything, we need to bleed air out from the brake caliper. If you don't bleed it, your car won't stop, man, when you step on the brake. So on the car, I gotta do both sides. Customer, he bought their own part. He want me to do both sides for the caliper and rotor and pad. Let me do passenger side, then after I finish it, I'm gonna move forward to driver side. Okay, it's time to install the brake. Make sure clean the hose, the surface, nice and clean. We don't want to get any dirt on it. Okay, this one nice and clean. Clean it or not? Okay. Clean. For the washer, don't forget it. I thought it's number 11 is my guess. Yeah, it's number 11. Ties up. Okay, perfect. Make sure, guys, bolt all ties up, release it. Boom. Not finished it yet, okay? I'm gonna go to other side for the driver side one. And after I finish the other side, I'm gonna show you how to bleed the air out from the system. You can do by your own, or you have one more person to help you out. You're gonna be perfect. The more I do alone, then let me move to the driver's side. Let me go to the driver's side. Okay, just wait me a little bit. I'm gonna do some. Yeah, driver's side and passenger side, we do the same procedure. It's nothing special. First of all, we need to remove the tire. Two. That car need to be done a lot of things. My customer, he just bought the car from someone. The tie rod need to be done. A safety failed, the car completely failed. In the tie rod, our tie rod need to be done too. But one more thing, he's short money right now. He just want to do the emergency stuff first.